How to blur background in CapCut. Alright guys, so your first step would be to add a clip to the timeline. Once you've added the clip to the timeline, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this clip. And once you've added a clip to the timeline, all you need to do to add a blur effect to the background is head into effects, where we have video effects, click on trending, and you're going to find blur here. So go ahead and click on blur. Now drag this and drop onto the timeline again, and then extend it over the duration you want it to be. So I have done this for the blur. And now once you can see the entire background of the clip is blurred. Now, in order to make this stand out, in order to make your design look good, all you need to do is head back to media and now add that same clip again over the blur. So it's going to be on top of the blur, and then simply drag till it's over here and now minimize your video so the blur in the background is shown. So you can now also adjust the strength of the blur by either increasing it or reducing it. And don't forget to reduce the volume of the original clip. Just make sure the volume is set to like 0, so there's no volume or anything like that. That way your clip just sounds normal and doesn't sound like two videos are playing over each other. All right, and then once you're done, just go ahead and click on export. Now, if you have any subjects inside of the video, I would suggest using the auto clip option. You'd find that when you head into video and click on cutout and then select auto cutout. So it only supports and recognizes parts of portraits. So that's how it works. All right.